We're used to thinking of carbon dioxide as a harmful gas, a waste product of breathing, something that must be eliminated as quickly as possible. But that's a misconception. Carbon dioxide is not waste. It is a vital physiological regulator. When carbon dioxide levels in the blood drop, for example, as a result of hyperventilation, caused by stress, fear, or anxiety, the body enters a state of hidden instability. The excitability of the respiratory center decreases, cerebral blood vessels constrict, and oxygen delivery to tissues becomes impaired. This phenomenon was first described in the late 19th century, and is known as the Verigo-Bohr effect. The Verigo-Bohr effect is the dependence of the dissociation of oxyhemoglobin on the partial pressure of carbon dioxide in alveolar air and blood. When carbon dioxide decreases, oxygen binds more tightly to hemoglobin, which hinders its release to tissues. It means the following. The lower the concentration of carbon dioxide in the blood, the less readily hemoglobin releases oxygen to the tissues. This is a key mechanism of tissue hypoxia, a state where oxygen is abundant but unusable by cells. A 2008 study showed that during hyperventilation, when we breathe too frequently, blood flow to the brain can drop by up to 30%. This happens due to cerebral vasospasm triggered by low carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide drops below a certain threshold, most people experience clear symptoms like dizziness, anxiety, and reduced concentration. Thus, the more intensely you breathe, especially at rest, the higher the risk of oxygen deprivation in the brain and other tissues. It's a paradox. The more you breathe, the less oxygen your cells receive. Carbon dioxide is one of the most important molecules in human physiology. It regulates the acid-base balance of the blood, maintains vascular tone, and activates the respiratory center. Most importantly, carbon dioxide levels directly determine the ability of hemoglobin, the main protein in red blood cells, to deliver oxygen to the tissues. That's why correct breathing techniques don't aim to increase oxygen. They aim to gently raise carbon dioxide to its physiological norm. This type of breathing practice is called hypercapnic breathing training. It helps restore proper carbon dioxide levels, normalize vascular tone, reduce anxiety, and activate adaptation mechanisms. If you want to better regulate your emotions, restore mental clarity, and overcome chronic fatigue, start by restoring your carbon dioxide level. Carbon dioxide is not the enemy. It is a silent ally. And you can learn to work with it again.